In this video, I will detail how you can turn off or disable silence notifications while driving on Samsung Galaxy device. So the essence of this is your Samsung phone will automatically turn on Do Not Disturb while you are driving to avoid distraction from text messages and different phone calls. So if I don't know this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, all you need to do to turn off silence notifications while driving or turn on Do Not Disturb automatically is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate setting on emergency and click on that. Now once you selected that, locate silence notifications while driving and click on that. Then here you can see silence notification while driving is enabled. Now to disable this, just toggle this off. Then the essence of this is your Samsung phone no longer silence your incoming calls or text messages while driving using automated Do Not Disturb feature. So here you will be notified that you have an incoming calls as your phone will rings, and for all your incoming messages you also be notified. So this is how you can easily turn off silence notifications while driving on Samsung Galaxy device. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.